this is Mel. Today we're going to make spice fall pumpkin curry. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. So I have a pan. In this pan I put little bit of oil, like half a teaspoon of olive oil, and to that put little bit asafoetida and a little bit, about half a teaspoon of cumin seed, and I'm going to let it roast. So you need to let it roast really good. Be sure it's not burned, but at the same time it should release a nice aroma, like a roasted aroma of the asafoetida and the cumin seed. And now I have my pumpkin washed and cut into little pieces, and I took out all the outer cells, so these pumpkins become soft this way. I'm going to add lots of spices, but you can add whatever you like. You can add just salt, pepper, and one or two spices. I'm gonna add I'm gonna add some onion, about one small or big chopped onion, and depending on how much pumpkin you have, but onion really tastes good with the pumpkin. So I'm gonna let this onion get cooked and become brown a little bit. Now that my onion is browning, I'm just gonna put a cover, a lid on it, and let it brown for a little bit. While my onion is browning, I'm going to put this cut pieces of pumpkin. These are small pieces. You can keep it big if you wish. I keep little small pieces because then they get cooked easily and becomes much more tastier than big pieces. And I'm going to mix it all together nicely, and then I'll put some spices and cover it and cook it. So in this one I have about 1 pound of pumpkin and 1 onion. I'm putting some salt, pepper, I'm gonna put some turmeric and some vegetable masala, and you can add meat masala if you like, and some crushed cumin seed. This is crushed cumin seed, roasted and crushed. So I roast the cumin seed and then crush it, and don't forget the salt and pepper. You can add green chili pepper if you like hot. Green chili pepper tastes awesome. And now to this, on top you can add green chili pepper and cilantro leaves chopped. So about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro leaves, and cover it. Now if you like tomatoes, you can add some fresh tomatoes, but I just don't like tomatoes. So I grow a lot, but I just don't eat them. Now I added some green cilantro. I like the greens. So I'm just going to cover it for 10 minutes. That's all you're going to cook it, 5 to 10 minutes, not too long, because you want it to be a little bit soft but not a mass pumpkin. If you cook little longer, it will become mass pumpkin. So we'll just cook little bit, and then it's ready to go. You can eat it with brown rice, you can eat it with bread, homemade bread, and it tastes really awesome with the homemade bread or brown rice. So I have this almost ready, and I'm just gonna take it out. It looks really yummy. Pumpkin is always tasty with brown rice. You can actually put it in a sandwich like sloppy joe, instead of the meat. Vegan sloppy joe, you put it in between the bread and eat it. It tastes really awesome. So this is a pumpkin curry game. Looks just like Sloppy Joe except big